All right, everyone, welcome back. I thought this would be a fun one. It's all bedazzled license plates. Bedazzled. Bedazzled. Let's see if I can't get you some video viewing pleasure here. Let's see, how's that? So let's get the old one off. Now, is there instructions? There is instructions. Pretty cool, huh? Does it come with screws? This would be a first for me. Let's open them up. So it comes with little caps. No screws. I wonder why it comes with no hardware. Huh. So no supplied hardware. Interesting enough, if you buy this, you're gonna have to buy the hardware kit for it. So let's see if we can't just make it work. We sure are gonna try. I don't believe we can use the hardware I've taken out. It's possible. No, it's too big. So having the right hardware with your bedazzled license plates is half the battle. Maybe somewhere on here it says must buy hardware, because there is none in this. Doesn't come with hardware for your no. Look at the back. There's no hardware.
It's just funny that it comes with
You're bedazzled, but you have no hardware?
no, it comes with the caps, but no hardware for the caps to
Right.
actually
Yeah.
like,
So we're just gonna send it.
click onto. Where's the phone? The recording.
I'm recording down here.
Ah, there it is.
So if you're gonna buy your bedazzled license plate, you're never gonna install them because there's no fucking hardware. How about that, Caleb? There must have been a line that most customers buy the bedazzled hardware kit, right? Like, how do you expect the average
I just
person
think
to
it's
install this?
I think it's crazy that they come with it makes sense now. I was about to say, how do they come with caps?
Bling it, baby.
I just didn't understand how they came with caps for the clip over the hardware, but now I understand.
Are you talking about crack caps, Caleb?
I don't even
Just
know what that
caps.
is.
So they used to sell.
Put
used
the
to-
plastic piece under this. Oh, okay.
This isn't my-
Yeah.
this
Okay,
is my
okay.
first time.
I didn't see the plastic piece.
This isn't my first rodeo installing shit without the right hardware. Because this is the Majestic hardware, but the head's too big.
Nice.
So now I'm moving into using my hardware. Because stainless steel hardware isn't cheap nowadays.
Nope.
4. I like how Rachel gets me is balance, check the balance on her tires at a shake at 75 miles an hour. Yeah, that's not happening. So it always helps if you have power tools. So this is going to be a little off, but they're just going to have to deal with it because we don't have the right hardware. But we're going to make it look delicious. What do you think?
I think your shoulder might be a little too big for that.
It might be. Nah,
is.
You definitely need special hardware for this. All right, so that special hardware is not going to work. So I might have to go with a Phillips style screw. Let's see.
We might have some up front.
Let's go with that. So we're going to go with a pan head screw. And I have extra of those. So show them the difference between the pan head screw and the screw that we just did. So anyway, Rachel said tire shaking, and then it turned into installing license plates. And I told her I had better things to do today than do this. It's not like you're building a house here, so you don't really need anything super special to hold your license plate on. Just a couple holes.
Boom.
So if you're buying, this is called bedazzled,
Down
right?
a little bit.
Is this called bedazzled?
I mean, it is.
Bling or bedazzled? Because
it's bedazzled.
Deadpool says bedazzled. So remember when the guy had the bedazzled jeans?
Yeah. Mm.
Maybe this will be one of my videos that goes viral.
I don't know about all that, but
How many people are bedazzling their cars?
a lot. But most of the time, it's the stickers that go over the emblem on the steering wheel. So then you got a claymore in your face.
So for installation purposes, I'm actually doing this right. Because other than that, I would have just sent it. But since we got an opportunity to make a video, better run that one up a little tighter.
Will it go tighter?
So what you don't want to do is screw this into your camera system or anything else. So
Or use screws that are too long and go into
I'm just shocked.
an intercooler or something.
Read that and see if it says must buy hardware or you must supply your own hardware. I'm just
Installation varies by vehicle. Hardware sold separately.
well, let's see what the challenges are on the back because the front's pretty easy. Assembly. Probably going to be a similar case.
Yeah, I think it might be extra screws back here.
So we're just going to have to do the same thing as stagger it.
Or just yeah.
And where can you get this hardware, Mr. Caleb?
Amazon?
Amazon. You can buy a whole hard stainless steel assortment at Amazon.
Is it stainless?
Yeah.
Yeah. 410 stainless.
Nothing but the quality of shit around here.
Well, I mean, that's where I got my, like my dress-up hardware. I got a similar kit, but it was all...
Where's the tag? Where's the bedazzler?
I don't know.
Set it down?
Oh, it's on top of the desk.
You can't make content without the bedazzler kit. So, does not include hardware. The average person will never be able to install this. Thanks, Rachel. It turned into installing bedazzled license plates. She's like, didn't Rachel tell you? No, she didn't tell me. She probably didn't want to tell me.
Yeah. It's like, I'm going to go to lunch now so we can figure it out while I'm out here.
Yeah, and then hopefully she'll be gone by the time I get back. You didn't tell me that she wanted bedazzled license plates installed. It's not that simple, Rachel. It doesn't come with hardware. I'm just saying to you, it doesn't come with mounting hardware. And since I have to pay for this shit to do this, somebody has to pay for it. I'm curious what a bedazzled mounting hardware kit costs. Maybe we should look that up for the followers. Go look that up real quick. So the little I gotta save $5.
I mean, I don't think this is really the answer we
So this is called License Plate Frame Designer Series.
Yeah, I just looked up license plate frame hardware. And I'm just getting... I mean, makes sense. You just gotta find something that works.
say it? No.
There's nothing specific like what
So
you're
this is
thinking of.
custom accessories, durable metal construction, crushed blingy. This is called crushed blingy.
Bling.
Oh, crushed bling.
BLING. Yeah.
So if you're interested in installing your crushed bling license plate frame, be sure to buy the hardware. Inside these caps, these pieces were stuck, so I had to pry them out just in case you're wondering where they are, and that's what hides your screws. So you're super bedazzled. You're super bedazzled. There you have it. Your straight crushed blingy.
Bling.
Bling? Crushed bling. Thanks for watching.